been a while.
It's been a minute. It's dark out.
So we wanted to go to a few shopping places. One of them was Chinatown. Went through that. You saw us get our stripes at Tiger Sugar, and then after that it was kind of
we went all over the place.
Yeah, we kind of went all over the place. We tried to find a Nike. That was failed mission. Yeah. But if you guys are Team Nike, sorry you couldn't find it today. But if you guys are Team Adidas, let us know because we found some.
Adidas.
So
you don't know already.
Yeah.
We started collecting specific shirts from Nike, and then we ended up seeing Adidas. So we have a Nike Japan, Singapore, not Singapore, never mind, that one's a fail one. And this is the theater.
Made it.
Made it.
And it's nighttime. 7 o'clock. Well, sun setting time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We've been inside a lot.
We're actually gonna try to find the merlion. Catch you there.
Stay tuned for that.
So, I don't know if this was intentional or not. So, but this is the theater, the spiky things behind us. So,
you can see the spikes a little more this way.
So these things and this thing with the lights and stuff. I don't know if this was intentional, but they kind of look like durians.
They do look like durian though.
We didn't do our research for today, but if you know, let us know in the comment section below if the theater, the Esplanade theaters are supposed to look like durian. Ooh, look at that view. I think we're gonna find the merlion soon.
Oh.
We see a little statue over here, and that spitting water is one of Singapore's merlions. Right across this archway over here, right next to the city. It is quite a sight. Woo!
Found the merlion!
Look at them durians, sparkly durians.
It's Merlion Park, I believe, is what it's called. So you have the theater there. You also have a Ferris wheel over there that you could ride. You see Marina Bay Sands, iconic for Crazy Rich Asians, last seen. And then the merlion statue. And then this
one of them.
One what?
It's only one of the merlion statues.
Oh yeah, there's another one in Sentosa,
And I
right?
think that one, this is the baby.
So we're gonna go over there now. I wanna go see the front of the line.
That is a lion. We made it. So we look like ghosts because the lighting is like right down there. Hello. So right behind us, that's the merlion in the front.
There it is.
Spin fire, spin fire. Well, water. So a merlion if you guys didn't get the combination, is a mermaid and a lion. Or a lion mermaid.
I didn't know that. Whoops.
Fun fact, English is one of Singapore's national languages. And it's kind of apparent because there's a buttload of English here. Like, there's a lot of different cultures here: Chinese, Indian, Singaporean, and
it's a very touristy place. So
very touristy. It's like you don't even know who's a tourist and who's not a tourist because there's just so many different diverse cultures here. The very easiest people to spot that's a tourist are primarily Caucasian.
That's
I
kind of
believe.
true because Singapore is a very Asian melting pot.
So that's why you have like Indian, Chinese. Those are like I think the two dominant cultures that you'll see here. We did see some Koreans, some Japanese, but those are most likely tourists as well. A lot of Filipino migrants work here. Migrants? Immigrants?
I don't know. Something like
Come here to work. So actually at the hotel at the top, at the pool area, the person who was giving out drinks was Filipino.
There were a lot of Filipino workers up there.
Yeah.
Now that I think about it.
So if you're wondering why we're here talking to you so long, it's because right across the bay,
In about
when you look
5 minutes.
in about 5 minutes, there's going to be a light show right in front of the
Right in front of the Marina Bay Sands.
Marina Bay Sands. I want to say Mandarin, but Marina Bay Sands. So we're just waiting. We got front row seats. Primo!
Ash, stop. It's a big one.
So that was a little teaser. We got there a little late, so couldn't get a good spot to get it all for you guys.
We'll get it again.
On the weekends, they play 8, 9, and 10. For the 9 o'clock showing, we got there at 8:45, and there was no way I was going to be filming other people filming the show.
Yeah.
So maybe tomorrow.
Tomorrow, for sure.
Off. Gesundheit. Well, off to a food destination.
Hungry.
Ooh, it's cold in here. Ah, so good. All right, see you there. And bit busier than it was yesterday.
A little.